Welcome to AM Shipyard. My name is Ronnie. I am the GM of the company. We have a facility for repairs and fabrication of vessels. Due to our location in Abu Dhabi and due to the environment that we are in and the desert and all the wind that exists in the area, we have required to have champion door give us a good protection for all the facilities. We requested for a unique door which has been installed on a frame designed by the engineering staff of Champion Door. The actual delivery of the door was done in a very short period of time. The installation was done with supervision of Champion Door technical department, who have been very efficient, and they had helped all the stages of the installation of the door. We can have even windows on our doors, so we can have a vision outside the yard while the doors are closed, and also to be able to have a branding of the yard on the door. The door has been installed in the yard in 2018, and since the installation, the door has been working absolutely on the spot. Service is done with minimum headache, minimum downtime, which is very important for us. We'll highly recommend Champion Door to any company that requires high efficiency door.